the lighting's a little off in my shop, and that's because I've taken down one of my fluorescent fixtures to upgrade it to LED. So I saw an article in I think it was Popular Woodworking about shop lighting and how to convert your LED, how to convert your fluorescent lights to LED with these strip lights and wiring and all that stuff. I have these LEDs by Toggled. And they're super easy. So let's do that right now. Pardon me while I adjust the camera here. So basically I've already taken the top off. It's one screw and a couple clips and it comes off. You can get rid of these fluorescent bulbs carefully, properly disposed of. Anyway, basically all you do is pop these out. You won't need the ballast anymore. So I'm going to bypass all of that. I'm not going to cut the wires like they say to do because I might want to reverse it one day. I don't know. I'm just that way. So I'm going to tuck all that down in there. What you do is you they give you these new ends with wires already attached, and you feed them into your light. They just push into place that easily. You get a hold of them. That end's basically done. It's just a matter of hooking the black wires together to your power wire and the white wires together. At the other end of this thing, where are they? I've already put them in. They just have regular dummy replacements, just basically to hold the other end of the bulb. Everything goes through one end. And you get these cool plastic shatter-resistant bulbs. When you put them in, the instruction end goes toward the power end of the light. Couldn't get much simpler, and they fit really well into these shop lights. That's the way I go. Reassembled, it's good to give it a test. I'd say it works. Wire's really short. But anyway, this is going back up. And there you have it. Took about maybe 20 minutes per light. And that's even with reading most of the instructions. These, French, the others were okay. Easy to follow, lots of light. Next is those under cabinets.